Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from Namaste Fragrance and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to look at CK1 Platinum Edition from the house of Calvin Klein. So CK1 Platinum Edition is one of the many flankers that are spawned from the CK1 line. Like the other CK1 fragrances, this is a unisex fragrance and it only comes in EDD concentration. The Platinum Edition I think was launched in 2018. And so it's quite new, it's just a couple of years old, and I got my bottle, this one, last year. To be honest, I first went to buy a Hugo Boss fragrance, and I just stumbled upon this by chance, and I really loved this fragrance and how it smelled, so I ended up buying this. So on that note, let's get into the review. Let's start with the presentation. This is the box, this is the front, this is the back. You have the ingredients and the CK1 logo over here. This Calvin Klein on top and the barcode. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, there. The bottom. As you can see, the box is pretty badly beaten up because I've been using this on a very regular basis. This is the bottle. This is a 200 ml bottle that I got, and I think the Platinum Edition only comes in EDT concentration. That's it. So like other CK1 fragrances, the sprayer comes separately and it comes with a cap. So you can use it as a splash or you can use it with the sprayer. So I generally prefer it with the sprayer, and let's see the sprayer. The sprayer is quite nice. It sprays well. It gives out a nice puff of fragrance. So be careful when you're using it, otherwise you will be drenched in this fragrance. So let's get into the notes of the fragrance. So in the top it has green apple, it has some modern aldehydes, and it has cinnamon. It has cardamom in the top. It has green apple, cardamom, and modern aldehydes. In the mid, this has pink pepper, this has cinnamon, and this has lavender. And in the base, it has cashmere woods, it has amber, and it has vetiver. So yes, so when you first spray this on, it has a very fresh, fruity opening with some floral notes. Some people might think that this is a more feminine fragrance because of that fruity floralness in the opening. It's quite bright, very fresh, very clean. As the fragrance settles down, it becomes a little sweet, and in the dry down, as it dries down, it turns to a more masculine woody scent because of that cashmere wood and vetiver. To my nose, this comes across a little powdery and like a fresh laundry scent to me in the dry down. This fragrance is nothing like the CK1. I think the CK1 is very much citrus oriented fragrance, unlike this one. This is very fruity, this is very floral, fresh, sweet fragrance. In terms of performance, in my extensive use, I have got around 2 to 3 hours of longevity from the fragrance. That's nothing surprising for a CK1 fragrance, but it's better than most CK1 fragrances, this one. In terms of projection, it's only 15 to 20 minutes max, and I feel after the first 1 hour, this becomes more of a skin scent. So you have to be really close to your skin to smell this. It doesn't project as much, and I think after 3.5 hours it's almost gone, so you will have to respray it after 3 hours or so. It's definitely a daytime, like a summer daytime fragrance. It's not your typical blue fragrance. It does its own thing, okay, with the burst of fruity floralness in the beginning, okay, and it works really well in these hot summers that we have over here in Mumbai. Um, I have enjoyed this fragrance a lot. Whenever I've worn this, I think I've garnered a lot of compliments. Uh, Girls really like this fragrance because I'm sure because of that fruity floralness that it has, and its bright opening. So people will generally like its opening a lot, and it's mostly for a younger crowd. Okay, if you're a college student, you will definitely love this fragrance, and I feel that this will easily work in an office environment because it's a very people pleasing inoffensive fragrance, and in my opinion I think this is a great warm weather fragrance. Okay, it's different from your typical blue fragrances that you get. If you're looking for a good inexpensive summer fragrance, the Platinum Edition is worth trying out. When I say inexpensive, I mean this is a 200 ml bottle and this cost me around 4,500 rupees. That's it. So, and it's okay, like the performance is not great, but it will not hurt your pocket that much because you're getting a 200 ml for a price of an 100 ml. Yeah. The CK1 Platinum Edition is currently easily available in your local malls, in your lifestyle stores and your Shoppers Stop. So if you're getting a good deal on this fragrance, you should definitely go and check it out. Okay, alright, so that's it from me on CK1 Platinum Edition. If you guys have any favorite CK1 fragrances, or if there are any other fragrances that you guys want me to check out, please do let me know in the comment section below. And till then guys, stay safe, stay home, smell you later, and namaste.